Okay, job for today, setting up the itch.io page. In case you don't know, itch.io is an awesome website where you can upload your games. And these headphones already annoy me. The experiment was if you can wear them upside down. The answer is clearly no, you can't, and you shouldn't. Let's not do it. Cool. More and more people joining the stream. That's perfect. I feel like the regular streaming schedule definitely helps with that. When I got started, nobody was watching when I started streaming. Now you know when I stream, so you're there. That's nice. Okay, so today, as I've said, let's create a beautiful page. I already made a background for the page. Look at that. You can already see the beautiful squares in the background, just like in the game. And we fill that entire page with content now. And probably start another color crisis because we gotta find a color for this right here. And I'm not sure if I want to have a dark color or a bright color or no. Yeah, that will definitely cause another color crisis. For now, let's just see which form fields we have to fill out here. First of all, we need a cover image. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I think I know what we're gonna do about that. We just gotta pick the bright menu exactly and make another screenshot of that one. Bah. Been looking forward to the next color crisis. Perfect. Then you joined the right stream. Ha! That's perfect. The perfect thumbnail for our game. W. Bra 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 bra. Maybe bra 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 should be the title. Can I fit it in here? And if yes, will it look good? Ah! Here's the rest of the thumbnail. Yeah, that's a nice thumbnail. Yes. Yeah, I like this as a thumbnail. The only problem is that kinda doesn't fill the entire thing. But let's see what we can do about that. Once again, on one of the monitors, I can't. The entire background looks black, and then here you can see how it fades out on the other monitor. That's strange. Colors are have just such a big difference from monitor to monitor. Blah 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 should be the title. Okay, it's lagging a bit. Yeah, is it lagging? If so, please let me know. In that case, I can do absolutely nothing, but I can say, oh no, let me try to fix it, and then I can pretend like I'm trying to fix it, and then everything will be exactly the same. So if it's still lagging, please let me know so I can do that. So yeah, this kind of works. I'm just really, really, really annoyed by the fact that we still have a lot of space here. But I think there will be a solution to this problem. I already made a couple of screenshots. Let's grab one of those. Could add some blocks and the snail to the thumbnail. Or the AI, oh yeah. It's not lagging for you. Okay, it's not my fault then. Thanks, Jan, for confirming that. Yes, I think you're right. I think we should definitely use characters of the game. That is a good idea. The only question is just what's a low effort of implementing that. So I think I have a lot of cool screenshots right here. Let's see what we can use. Oh, the blue one looks cool too. It's just a little dark. For some reason, the blue ones look a lot cooler than the colored ones. I mean, this part of the game looks fine in full screen and when it's moving. But this dark blue part even looks cool on screenshots. Bam. Oh no. I'm so stupid. I accidentally closed the folder. Now I gotta search it again. Image library. But I already got it. No problem. And let's just experiment with some stuff. Let's just drag some stuff in there. Oh, that's a little small. Let's try going big. Really big. Okay, really big. Okay, now maybe that is a little too big. But that could be a cool thumbnail as well. Now that I look at it. How can I put this to closest neighbor as well? The stretch mode. Is there any way for doing that for non-rasterized images? Same issue as yesterday. I guess we gotta rasterize it first. Just need to rasterize it in the original resolution. Oh, this is more complicated than I thought. Okay, let's just search Google. I can set that in preferences. See, I just need to read chat. That makes everything so much easier. How about that? That already looks pretty solid, I'd say. Okay, let's go to the preferences. Preferences where? Interface, sync, file handling, performance. File handling maybe. Or we'll just go for the blurry look for the snail. That's obviously possible as well. I'd like it to be sharp though. Ah, here. Image interpolation. Found it. Ha 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 ha. Nearest neighbor. And was that it? Ah, seems like it was not. Problem is that this is still a smart object. No worries, we'll solve this in a second. Image interpolation. So that's what I gotta search for. Yeah, maybe it just doesn't work for smart objects. Let's search Google. Photoshop image interpolation smart objects. Is there anything? Interpolation mode for smart objects. This looks promising. If it loads. Who needs smart objects anyway? Yeah, I would like to rasterize it. Only problem when I rasterize it, it's doesn't have the correct resolution either. Okay, seems like there should be an interpolation mode up here, but I think that's not the case for smart objects, right? Yeah, that's what I said. Okay. Maybe just gotta cheat then somehow. Maybe if I rasterize it now. No, see, now it's not sharp anymore. That sucks. I know what we do. We now duplicate the layer and duplicate it to untitled. Now we have it in the original size in here. And now we can scale it with nearest neighbor. See? Easy. Should have done that right from the get-go. But I was not intelligent enough. No! Why are you not scaling correctly? Okay, here it is sharp. Now I want to scale with nearest neighbor. Please. Why does it go back to B cubic automatic, nearest neighbor? Please. Yeah, now it worked. Maybe I changed it on accident. Photoshop, learning Photoshop with Jonas. Doo -doo -doo. Maybe we should make it even bigger. Okay. Merge. Yeah, we definitely want to have that on the icon as well. I'd like the font to be kind of big, but I can't have both things big. One of them's gotta be small. I can cheat a little bit. Just scale it vertically. I think that works. What do you think? Now let's see if we can give this a bit more glow to make it fit the rest. Gotta pick a blur. Oh. Blur, Gaussian blur. What do you think? Too much blur? Looks okay to me. Photoshop crisis, definitely. Learning Photoshop. Smart objects are dumb. Don't say anything bad about smart objects. They're my friends. Snail is watching my stream. A bit too bright, maybe. Yes. Maybe like this. Oh yes, no, I don't know. Somehow this looks off. Maybe it should just keep it like this. Moving that glow slightly to the side looks kind of interesting as well. Maybe we'll just do that. Okay, I think this will do for now, more or less. Can obviously try what happens when we turn everything into blue. I mean, that looks a little more coherent, but also contrast is obviously lost. No. Gotta stay like this. Maybe I shouldn't use a snail from a dark level in combination with bright text. Video tomorrow? Sure. Not only video tomorrow, also game tomorrow. Okay, but let's export this. We can compare later which one we like most. This is definitely our first version. Let's save it as JPEG. Thumbnail 1. Okay, next version. Let's pick one with color. Oh my god, this snail gets stretched in really weird ways sometimes. What the hell is this? Is this a snail? What? I can't use this. Here we got AI. I guess we could use something like this. Oh, here you get just a jumping snail. Which one is the best one? I like this one. No, this is not the way. Gotta put it in here. And then we say duplicate, and we duplicate it to untitled. See? This fits together a little better already. Let's just export this real quick. You never know if you find something better. Number 2. Let's make it bigger. Bigger is always better. Remember that. This looks more like it's running away from something. I like it. And again, on the other side, maybe 1/3 through. Slightly bigger. Oh no! Didn't I turn it to be cubic? That's... sorry to nearest neighbor, what a horrible mistake. This one as well? No! Do you need to do this every single time? Nearest neighbor. Why is this a smart object? This is definitely Photoshop crisis. I thought I said duplicate. Ah, this is a smart object here as well. Oh. Rasterize. And now duplicate. That was the issue. Means we gotta redo the other one as well. But we can do that fairly quickly. Here we go. Now we have a sharp version, thank God. For me. You think it should be in the center? What do you think? Oh no, bigger is always better. Oh no, I forgot. You can't say something like that on stream. How could I forget about that? One of the golden rules. Never eat a banana on stream. Never say anything that could misunderstood. Yeah, I stole it from Jim Sterling. I steal everything. Especially crappy jokes. Okay, no, in the center is boring anyway. Let's put it here. Yeah, I feel like we could almost make it a little darker, but let's save this version. JPEG 4. And then let's also save this version. And then we gotta move on, we gotta pick one. We can't keep doing this forever. I wanna upload the game. Okay, now let's compare which one is the best. Or should we do another? Hey, once again, somebody new joining the stream. Somebody green with a very long name that I'm not gonna try to read. Welcome. I'm green as well, so you're at the right place. The game art, and here we go. What do you think? Which thumbnail is the best? Probably not the darker one. I feel like it's one of those. Or is it the darker one? It depends on which screen I'm looking. On this screen, the brighter ones look better. On the other screen, the darker one looks better. Yes, I played Overwatch last time I played yesterday with my sister. An animated thumbnail, yeah, we'll do that for the final game. We'll not do that for the demo, I think. We don't have to overdo it for the demo. I think we're just gonna go with this one, or maybe with this one because this has a little more blue. Yeah, I like this one. We're gonna go with this one. And obviously for the final game, I'll put a lot more effort into this because the thumbnail is like really important. That's like one thing I've learned from YouTube as well. It doesn't make sense to keep working on a video for 8 hours and then to just make the thumbnail in 20 minutes. Doesn't make sense because you can mess everything up with the wrong thumbnail. Imagine working on a game for 2 years, 3 years, and then not spending enough time on the thumbnail, and then nobody plays your game just because your thumbnail is crap. So for games, that's even more extreme. For games, sorry, than for videos. But yeah, definitely spend enough time on your thumbnails. If you're just making a demo, then maybe who cares? I mean, you guys are gonna play regardless, no matter if the thumbnail's good or bad. But in the final game, people care about thumbnails a lot. Thumbnails matter. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Upload. Or can I drag it in there? That would be even better. No, I cannot. Game art. Da 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 da. Beautiful. Step 1 complete. Oh no, is it sharp? I hope so. You think 3 is the best? Let me count which one is number 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's the one I chose as well. So glad we agree. Or did you mean 1, 2, 3? Because this one is the banner I'm gonna use at the top. This one doesn't count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but they even have numbers down here, so you probably meant this one. Okay, we're good. Short description or tagline. This is tricky. I mean, could just write, will you snail? How long can this be? There are no obstacles, but an AI. No, we can skip that part. An AI places obstacles in real time. Will you snail? Maybe add that to the tagline, or just keep it as short and juicy as possible. This has definitely room for improvement, but let's keep it at that. I mean, you can think about the tagline for days if you want to do so. It's a game, it's a downloadable. It's in development. We don't accept any payments. That's all correct. Description. So obviously there will be a trailer. Can we drag the banner in there? That would be nice. Bon. No? Add image maybe? Now if we... Oopsie doopsie. Write something after the image. How does that look on the page? Oh, this is not where you put the banner. How can I have the banner at the top here? Huh. Just write, will you? Find out here. Ah. Yeah, we can do that as well. Will you? Yeah, that's, I think that's nice as well. We can see how well that works. Okay, this is not where you put the header. Where do you put the header? I'm pretty sure this is possible. I can't see where you do it. Maybe you need to do it here with edit theme. Ah, yeah, that's where you do it. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, that works. At the very least on the left screen, on the screen on the right once again, you can see the pattern in the background, and now you have all of those red squares in the background. Question: can you see the red squares in the background on your screen? Very important question. On my main screen I can barely see them, but on my second monitor they look really bright. and that makes it look pretty ugly. So how does it look for you? Are they dark enough or are they too bright? Please join the survey. They're visible but subtle. Okay, that's fine. Yes, I can see them as well, but I really need to try. Okay, and then here for this color, should we go with black? Should we go with, what should we go with? You didn't notice them until I said it. That's pretty much the effect I'm going for. Yes, that's nice. Perfect. Let's go. I mean, we should probably go with black. Either with even dark gray looks kind of stupid. What if we go choose a similar color than the thingies in the background? A very dark red. I mean, that works as well, but once again, oh my god, it looks so different on both of my screens. I didn't know there were such big differences. I wish I could show you, it's crazy. Like, this looks nice on one screen, but it looks horrible on the other one. I mean, black looks okay on both, so let's go for black. Dark blue. Yeah, once again, works on one screen. Yeah, let's go for dark red. It's not as boring as complete black. And I think I found a red tone that looks fine on both of my monitors now. For the text, can we pick a color from here? That would be so nice. Okay, but that fits about right. And then for this one, we will go for our snail blue. If I can hit that. I think I got it. Oh, this looks nice. We're getting somewhere. Yellow from the text. Yeah, oh yeah, it looks like I got the yellow. Yellow for the text. Yeah, I've heard that yellow for the text is sometimes not a super good idea, but let's just see how well it works. We won't have a lot of text. And with a dark background, yellow is pretty much the only color we could go for. I mean, we could also switch the colors and have blue text and yellow links. You think that would be better? But before we judge on anything like that, maybe we should add some text. How about that? Okay. Edit game once again. Here we can add a couple of tags. 2D platformer, artificial intelligence. What else? What else? Better with the yellow text, yeah. Blue feels like my highlight color. Yes. 2D platform artificial intelligence hard, difficult. Crazy? Is there something like that? Jump. And run. Okay, seems like it's just platformer. What else do we have? Spooky, colorful, mystery, RPG Maker, dark, Halloween, comedy, space. I think something like science fiction probably fits as well. Okay, we can choose 5 more. If you have an idea for one, let me know. Let's add a couple of screenshots. Maybe one with text, one with fuses. Another one with fuses. One with AI. Yeah, we'll see how that looks. Oh, this one looks nice and clean. I like those two. Okay. Oh, move up. Those two look very similar. One of them is enough. Both of those. I think if you have very similar screenshots in here, it looks, or it feels like, oh, there's probably not that much in the game, so the creator of the game has to reuse screenshots of the same scene over and over again. Don't want it to feel like that, so let's try not to double stuff too much. Save view page. No, we didn't save our style. What the hell? This is a very classical Jonas move. What the hell? Did I really not save that? Oh, come on. Kidding me. Even the banner, really? How could that happen? Okay, luckily we managed to reproduce it fairly quickly. Okay, let's hit the save button. How about that? I like the look of that. Back to editing game. And now we can write a description. There are an AI places an AI tries to kill you by placing obstacles in real time, or simply an AI places obstacles in real time. I think giving a reason probably makes it feel a little more logical. Writing something when people are watching you feels kind of stressful. Have you ever written something while a lot of people are watching over your shoulder? Then you know how this feels like. Okay, let's make a control section. Even though we don't need the controls really. Bust or arrow keys or gamepad. Okay. Control section is done. Can I change the text size? I'm sure I can change the text size. Who knows, maybe I can't. See? Text for the entire page is done now. Follow me on YouTube. A bit more story like, bro is tag, oh no. Funny is a thing. Oh, it would never occur to me to describe my own game as funny, but you're right. I should take that one. Is there something like streamer friendly? Let's play friendly? No. Not enough people use that. Experimental. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'm not really posting on Twitter all that much. I've gotta admit. How does my Twitter look like? That's the question. Oh, it's also just Twitter/Jonas. Okay. Damn. Insert link. Oh. Okay. Most important part is done. Where you can follow the development controls. And then here, Jan is probably right. We should do something a little more story heavy. Rage as tag. Oh, that's a good one as well. Rage. Anger. I'm seeing if there's a suggestion for slime. Obviously there's one for slime, but not for rage. Underwater. Generator. Cold classic. Yes, we gotta use that one. Chicken. Is there one for snail? No. There is one for chicken, but not for snail. Okay, let's use rage anyway. Adventure. Horror. Oh, single players, another good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have one more spot for attack. Pixel art. Jan got the best ideas. Indie game, traps. Yeah, the thing with indie games is there are pretty much only indie games on itch.io anyway. It's the place you go when you wanna play indie games, more or less. So we don't need to use that as a tag. And then once again, traps is probably something nobody will search for. Appreciate your suggestions, though, Tobiabohu. Thank you. We're gonna go with pixel art. That's 10. Complete. Yay. Yippee. Custom noun. If we don't want itch.io to call it a game, we can force them to call it an interactive snail festival. Interactive prophecy of doom. That's the pronoun. I wonder where that pronoun is used. Interesting. A snail simulator. Man, Jan, you should do this. You're way better at this. You wanna write the description for me? Please? Post it in the chat. I'll just copy and paste it in. All right. Let's make a gameplay section. And then let's make a story section. Warning. The game is still in development, and we need a warning section as well. Warning. The game is pretty hard. Warning section. No, obviously this will not stay. I just thought it was funny. Yeah, this looks very promising so far. I think we can make the text a little bigger, because there will not be all that much text anyway. Oh, this is already large. Interesting. Let's go for very large then. Oh my god, it looks so ugly on my second screen. Why? In this gem, you snail. You good snail, slither fast to no get Pocky Pocky from AI Pockies. AI evil, bad AI, scary AI, much scary. Mm-hmm. Oh no, I didn't press save. Yeah, I'll probably rework this a little bit. Okay, I think the basics of this page are definitely done. You will see the final version tomorrow. And we've been streaming for 1 hour already anyways. Oh, better end it here so I can finish this in peace. It's a lot easier to write something with a little less pressure, you know what I mean? I'm slowly getting used to this streaming thing. It's not as scary as in the beginning anymore. But it obviously still feels a lot different than just doing something on your own. It's a lot less stressful. Try it if you don't believe me. Okay, so if you have any more questions or things you want to tell me about the itch.io page, let me know now. And you'll be able to play tomorrow. And obviously there will be a little update video tomorrow as well. Will be a trailer, obviously, in combination with something that probably feels a little bit like a devlog, or not 100% sure yet what the video will be like. Probably a short and juicy one. So stay tuned for that. FIP, finish in peace. Oh, yeah, FIP, everybody. Oh, in this fascinating single-player platformer, you play a snail that tries to escape an evil AI, which tries to kill you. Yeah, not bad. Gonna copy that as well. Maybe I can use that. I say thank you. So I'll probably make a combination of your suggestion and Jens' suggestion. In this gem, you snail, you good snail, slither fast, no get Pocky Pocky. Platformer, you play a snail that tries to escape an evil eye, which tries to bad AI, screw AI, much scary. Yeah, something like that. Because of the yellow. Okay. Okay. Cool. So thanks for your help. I think I need more monitors. I think I need 5 monitors that help me to decide how colors look. Just 2 monitors is not enough. One monitor tells me, yes, this color is good. The other monitor tells me, no, don't touch this color. This color looks bad. So I don't know which monitor to believe. It's slightly annoying. Whatever. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Let's end it right there and see you next week with a live stream and tomorrow with a video.